Good Wednesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. This is your outlook for March 19th, 2014. And we have some rain that's going to be moving into our area today. And this is the look at the GFS here. Where the system is going to be moving off to our north here. This is the system that's going to be over the Great Lakes and move into southeastern Canada from this point, just like this in this direction. We're going to have a warm front that's going to move out ahead of it. And right behind it is a cold front, very close in close proximity to it. So very brief warm out ahead of it, and because of warm fronts moving through, you might, with any warm air advection system, you have a chance for some sleet and freezing rain, but this is not going to be a big deal. I think it's going to move in a little bit later, so we're not dealing with major icing concerns here, but we're going to have to watch that because we go over to the high-res NAM here. The high-res NAM has some precipitation moving in here at 9 o'clock in the morning, actually a little bit earlier than that, but you see where the temperatures are here. They're all below 32 up in this entire area here. So this whole area is below 32, and you have some spotty showers showing up here. So this could be a some sleet pellets starting out here. It could be some freezing rain, freezing drizzle, maybe even some light snow up here in the Poconos. But not amounting to much. It's not going to be, but it doesn't take much when you have freezing rain and freezing drizzle. So, area roadways could be a concern, especially up here in the higher elevations. But for the most part, this is going to be a rain event, and we're not really overly concerned about this. But National Weather Service does have winter weather advisories up in this area here in south central PA. A little bit outside of our coverage area here, but south central PA, south of Harrisburg, south of State College, just because the temperatures are below freezing when that precipitation is expected to move in from the southwest. So, we'll have to watch that just in case, but I wouldn't be surprised if there's some sleet, freezing rain, freezing drizzle that moves in early in the morning, but that will go over to rain, plain rain after that point. So here's the GFS taking this system here. Very light showers, not a big deal. That's going to wrap up here probably just after midnight on Wednesday night. So it's going to be in and out of here quick, just some light showers, scattered showers, and then that's out of here. So here's our system moving offshore, and then a couple nice days here on Thursday and Friday. And then Saturday we have another cold front that's going to move through. This is in association with this system up here in the Great Lakes. So this system here is just like the other one, is going to move out like this, and you're going to have a cold front move with it's an association with this low pressure system, and some very light precipitation that can move through on Saturday afternoon. So, but this once again will not be a wintry system because it's going to be too warm out ahead of it. We're going to actually have temperatures on Saturday in the 50s and even some 60s as you get down here towards the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Okay, so that system moves out, and the winds are going to shift for the north and the northwest here. We are going to get cold here on starting on Sunday as we get into next week. Actually, the period from basically all of next week is going to be well below normal for this time of year. Your temperatures for normals are generally near 50, say in our central areas here. Actually, it's about 51 here in Allentown. As you go further north here, you're talking about upper 40s for normal highs, and down here you're talking about in the low to mid 50s. So these are the normal temperatures for this time of year. We're talking about temperatures that are going to be next week somewhere between 30 and 35 in many locations. So it's going to be very cold, and the departures from normal are going to be well below normal. And we released our winter outlook, or excuse me, our spring outlook. We released on the Facebook page last night, which says that this kind of pattern is going to continue for a while here, where we're going to have these cold shots of, where winter just wants to hang on through about April 15th. So we're going to have chances of cold, and when you have chances of cold, you have chances of snow. Here is a chance of snow we're looking at for next Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. Now the GFS is not too impressed with this. It has a system here, a northern stream system. Let me get to the right frame here. Northern stream system that is moving in from the Great Lakes here, and at the same time, a southern stream system moving offshore. Now, the European model has us a little bit closer to the Carolina coast and moving up in this direction here like this. And actually, this system here, which is the northern stream system, here's your southern stream system, the GFS actually, well offshore. And the northern stream system on the European model actually feeds into this system as it comes to the coast. It gives a very big snowstorm up in this area here. So, the GFS is a little bit different of a look here, and because it's just a northern stream system that's going to be rotating through, you would still have snow, but you see it's a very weak system but definitely cold enough to produce snow across most of our area. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this. It is a very good signal as far as teleconnections are concerned, very good atmospheric signals as far as the upper atmosphere, and also some of the model ensembles are very keen on this idea of a big storm here in that time frame of Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. But it is, we're talking about 7 days away here, so a lot can change in the interim. So we'll just keep with us, and we'll keep you updated as we get a little bit closer. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for Wednesday, March 19th, 2014. Have a great day.